Now in this session we will solve the problem sum of the worksheet 1. Question 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Now in the last video you have already learned the number line. In the number line 0 at the middle and right side of the 0 all numbers are positive and the left side of the 0 all numbers are negative. Now in this question what you have to do, you have to write the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Now just look at this number line. Your first place is it's a Lahul Spiti. Now just look at the mark on the number line. Here it's a -5. So from the left side of the -5 it's a -6, -7, -8. So the temperature of Lahul Spiti is equal to -8 degree Celsius. Now the Srinagar. So from the left side of the 0 we are starting with the -1, -2. So the temperature of Srinagar is equal to -2 degree Celsius. Now Shimla is equal to 5 degree Celsius. Now Ooty. So start from here, it's a 10, 11, 12, 13 and it's a 14. Because it's the right side of the 0, so it's a positive. So Ooty is equal to 14 degree Celsius. Now the Bangalore. So here it's a 20, 21, 22. So the temperature of Bangalore is equal to 22 degrees Celsius. Now in the question 1, that is the second question B, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Now in the last question you have already write the temperature of all the places. Now the temperature of the hottest place means it's the hottest place, it's a Bangalore. So the temperature of the hottest place Bangalore is equal to 22 degree Celsius and coldest place it's a Lahul Spiti. So the temperature of the coldest place Lahul Spiti is equal to -8 degrees Celsius. Now what you have to do? You have to do the differences of this two. So the difference is equal to 22 degrees Celsius minus -8 degrees Celsius minus plus. So 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Now in the question 1, see, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So first the temperature of Srinagar is equal to -2 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Lahul Spiti is equal to -8 degrees Celsius. Now you have to find out the difference between these two. So difference is equal to -2 minus -8 minus plus. So -2 plus 8. Now minus plus minus sign will be the big number. So -2 plus 8 is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. Now question 1D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So first what you have to do? You have to find out the temperature of Srinagar and Simla together. Means the temperature of Srinagar and Simla that we have to add. So the temperature of Srinagar and Simla is equal to, temperature of Srinagar is equal to -2, temperature of Simla is equal to 5. So 5 degrees Celsius plus -2 degrees Celsius plus minus. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. So that is the temperature of Srinagar and Simla. Now the temperature at Simla, it is 5 degrees Celsius. Now just we have to compare this. The temperature of Srinagar and Simla together, it's a 3 degrees Celsius and the temperature at Simla is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore 3 degrees Celsius less than 5 degrees Celsius. Thus temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla. Now the second question in this, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Means we have to compare the temperature of Srinagar with the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So we have already find out the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, that is 3 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now compare this, 3 degrees Celsius greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius. No, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar, because 3 degrees Celsius greater than to the minus 2 degree Celsius. Now let us solve the question 2. Question 2, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? First, let us understand the questions. In the question, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer, and score for the 5 successive rounds are given. So we have to find out the total at the end. Now, any of the things when we are finding the total, what you have to do? You have to do the addition. So similarly, follow these things. Jack scores in 5 successive rounds. It's a 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. So we have to find out total. So for the total, we have to do the addition. Now total marks got by Jack is equal to 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now just look at here. Some of the numbers are the negative. First of all, 25 plus minus 5. So plus minus, it's a minus. So here it's a minus. Again plus minus, it's a minus. So here it's again minus 10. So 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now first let's together the positive integers. So 25 plus 15 plus 10. Now minus 5 minus 10. Now 25 plus 15 plus 10 is equal to 50. And minus 5 minus 10 minus minus, it's a plus. So it's a minus 15. So 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. Thus 35 marks are got by Jack in a quiz. Now let us solve the question 3. Question 3 is, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Means on the Monday, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped by means decrease. So on Monday, temperature at Srinagar is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature dropped means its decrease is equal to 2 degree Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus minus, it's a plus. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, but it's a minus 7 degree Celsius. Now on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means it's a increases. So what was the temperature on this day? Now on Tuesday, the temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, temperature rose up is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. So we have to do the addition because it's a increase. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday is equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. Minus plus minus means 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. But the sign will be the big digit. So it's a minus 3 degree Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was -7 degrees Celsius and -3 degrees Celsius respectively.